it's gonna explode. A new way, you sound so sincere. How sweet it must be to be able to think so clear. But you're just another in a long line of fools. Giving us freedom with a new set of rules. It is only for sheep. Space in the crowd. He is holding his head like it's gonna explode. It's full of a new meaning. I'm deep in his soul. It is only for sheep. Yeah. When you're awake, you're asleep.
While plucking feathers from a swan song, spring might gently press its thumbs against your eye. While plucking feathers from a swan song, a cobweb melts within a wound. While plucking feathers from a swan song, an incontinent is singing Scarpia. While plucking feathers from a swan song. While plucking feathers from a swan song, a mythic instance of erotic impulse. While plucking feathers from a swan song is slipping under a surefire sign. While plucking feathers from a swan song, delloid rodifers join the chittering surge. While plucking feathers from a swan song. While plucking feathers from a swan song, shit might pretzel Christ's intestines, while plucking feathers from a swan song, being crushed from the inside out. While plucking feathers from a swan song, on the snow rummy flocks unmanly dribble. While plucking feathers from a swan song, while plucking feathers from a swan song, a tiny laugh dirties everything it touches. While plucking feathers from a swan song, night stops dripping through the stars. While plucking feathers from a swan song, blast the sheet of jewels horizon to horizon. While plucking feathers from a swan song.